Why owls can fly without making a sound. Owls can fly directly above prey without being heard. This isn't because they flap slowly or glide carefully. The secret is in their feathers. The leading edges of owl wings are serrated, breaking air into smaller, softer currents. The trailing edges are fringed, absorbing sound instead of reflecting it. Together, these feather structures prevent turbulence, which is the main source of flight noise. That's how owls hunt in complete silence, long before their prey realizes they're there. And the silence starts at the feather's edge.